Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to collect stash in Schedule 1. We'll start by defining what Schedule 1 items are, so you know exactly what to look for. Then, I'll guide you through effective methods for locating these valuable resources within your environment. Finally, we'll cover smart strategies to help you efficiently gather your desired stash, ensuring you maximize your collection efforts. Let's get started on building your inventory. Identifying Schedule 1 items is crucial for efficient collection. These items are typically rare and hold significant value, making them highly desirable. You'll want to pay close attention to specific visual markers or unique indicators that confirm an item's Schedule 1 classification. Prioritizing these high-value items ensures your efforts are focused on acquiring the most beneficial resources for your inventory. Knowing what to look for saves time and boosts your collection. To effectively collect your stash, employing smart strategies is key. Consider using specialized tools that can significantly increase your collection speed and efficiency. Focus your efforts on areas known for high item density, often referred to as high-yield zones, to maximize your haul. Once collected, it's vital to secure your stash properly to prevent any loss or damage. A well-organized and protected inventory is a strong inventory. Maximizing your stash involves more than just collecting. It's about smart management. Consider trading any excess items you don't need for valuable resources or currency that can further your goals. Regularly reviewing your inventory helps you optimize storage space and ensures you're not holding onto unnecessary items. Also, for those looking for durable gear, check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. A well-managed stash is a powerful asset in any endeavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.